morning, Doctor. We are from Group 5. Today we'll be presenting our case study, and the company we select for this case study is Isuzu Highcom Malaysia. Good morning, Doctor. My name is Elina Rafael Dr. Rosendas and my metric number is CP220080. So today I'll be talking about the introduction of our case study. So according to Deming 1982, quality is defined as a predictable degree of uniformity and dependability at low cost. Quality gurus such as Deming and Juran either developed or introduced these tools to Japan. According to Kaoru Ishikawa, these 7 QC tools can solve 95% of the problems. So Pareto diagram, cause and effect diagram, histogram, control charts, scatter diagram, graphs and check sheets are the 7 QC tools used to solve problems related to quality. There are also 7 new QC tools which are tree diagrams, matrices diagrams, affinity diagram, prioritization matrices, interrelationship diagrams, activity network diagrams, and also process decision program charts. So the scope of this study is very important in understanding how QC tools may be used to identify and fix problems inside a company. The objective of this study is to identify the main challenges that the company faces. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Adam Ashraf bin Ismail. My metric number is CP220061 and today I would like to share the background of study. So, Isuzu Highcom Malaysia is a team up between Highcom Holding Berhad and Isuzu Motors Limited Japan. It is located in Pekan, Pahang. Before this, it is known as Malaysia Truck and Bus Sdn Berhad before they got a new name in 2007, which is Isuzu Highcom Sdn Berhad. They have about 600 employees, making 16,000 trucks each year on a 34-acre site. Built 3 kinds of Isuzu vehicles, which is light-duty trucks, medium-duty trucks, and pickup trucks. They use only one line for different Isuzu pickup and light-duty truck models. Industrial Highcom Malaysia is the only Isuzu factory like this, crafting a variety of commercial vehicles. So now I would like to share the problem faced by Isuzu Highcom based on the table. So they have 5 problems. The first one is market competition with the frequency of 43. Next is economic factor. The frequency is 26. The third one is regulatory changes with 14 frequency. The next one is supply chain issue. The frequency is 10, and the last one is technological advancement with 7 of frequency. And now I would like to share the check sheet which we categorize into, which is types of defect and the frequency. So the highest defect that faced by Isuzu is paint and finish problem with the frequency of 9. Next is quality of material. It is the least types of defect with only 3, while electrical and mechanical malfunction and functional and operational deficiencies shares the same frequency, which is 5, and the last one is assembly errors with the frequency of only 6. That's all from me. Thank you.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Ali Farisha and my metric number is AP2205 and 26, and I'm going to continue the presentation about the methodology research. The methodological procedure used by a research to develop, perform and also analyze research investigation is referred to as research methodology. In this project, there are 3 types of main components of research methodology, which is research design, data collection and also data analysis. The first one is research design. In this experimental research, researchers modify one or more factors to see how they affect another variables, and non-experimental research design include observation, correctionals and descriptive studies in which researchers do not influence a variable. And these are the process flow of this project. And the first process is identify the problem. The second process is to identify the causes, and the third is to identify the main causes. And now we go to propose solution and lastly evaluate the solution. Data collections is an important stage in this research process in which researchers gather information and answer research questions and test hypotheses. The technique used to gather data are determined by the research design, the nature of the studies and the kind of data requested. The production's quality department researchers to identify the major issues. Observations were performed in this research to monitor the situations, and the interview were conducted with the manager of the production's quality department to comprehend and identify the internal and external business issues. Furthermore, researchers meet the production manager to explore possible improvements and quality control such as a relationship diagram, flowcharts, check sheets, and so on. And lastly, data analysis. Next, I'm going to talk about the process flow. To understand the process flow, the researchers need to understand the process flow of producing Isuzu Automotive. It is important for the researchers to investigate the causes and the source of defects in occur productions. In this project, there are 14-step flow process of making Isuzu Automotive, and we're going to start from design and development, go to engineering, next supply chain management, and go to manufacturing planning, stepping body and assembly, painting, assembly, and go to quality control and testing. Next is a final inspection, testing of product line, final finishing, shipping and distributions, and second last is sale and marketing, and lastly is customer service. The organization has clarified the reason into 5 groups based on the collection diagram, which is workers, materials, machine, method, and also workplace. There are various reasons contributing to workers' productivity concerns, such as arrival automakers, new entrants, quality perceptions, bad customer service, and so on. Furthermore, bad attitudes and behaviors such as a lack of safety awareness and timelines are the root causes of productivity issues. Product efficiency productivity in the machine categories is often caused by technology integration, after-sales service, faulty machine layouts, lack of maintenance. Machine failures are caused by a lack of machine maintenance, which is reduced productions of Isuzu companies. Meanwhile, the third category that has impact on the company production productivity is material. For example, marketing strategies, global market, supply chain advantage, and also environmental concerns. The strategy used in the process include brand royalty, consumer preference, government regulations, local partnership, technology process, pricing competitions, and so on. The following set of technique comes after that, and one of the elements contributing to productivity issues is the difficulty in locating car manufacturing supply. Employees have made their own decision based on their own preference and without the supervision of their supervisor due to a lack of standard operating procedure, or we call it as SOP. Furthermore, semi-automated procedure and regulation changing processes have significant influence on productivity. Finally, inadequate lighting and ventilations, as well as dirty and congested factory or workplace, all had influence on Isuzu Automotive output.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Faris bin Anwar and my matric number is CP220057. Okay, today I want to present about the Ishikiwa diagram. The Ishikiwa diagram is the researchers realize that the effect of method is mainly caused by 5 major classification of causes. The causes which are workers, machine, workplace, method, and materials. So this Ishikiwa diagram can continue to find out the most critical causes that result from the different types of major causes. Thank you. So next, I like to explain about the relationship diagram. So in this relationship diagram, we can identify the main problems which are rival automakers, the new entrants, and the product diversity. These 3 is the main problem of this relationship diagram. This relationship between each cause is created one by one while focusing on the cause and effect relation. In addition, this means that the cause factor has the impact or effect on the other factors by drawing the outgoing arrow. Thank you.
My name is Muhammad Aikabi Armain. My matric number is CP220073. Now I will explain about a tree diagram and also metric diagram. The main problem highlighted in the tree diagram, we need to focus on the impact of a market competition specifically caused by the 3 main factors. First is competition for other car maker. Second is new company entering the market, and third is have a variety of product. First is deal with the competition for the other car maker. Concentrate on offer innovation product, To stand out from the other car company, Isuzu Highcom need to focus on into the unique and advanced feature in its vehicle. This not only make them different, but also create a strong selling point. So second is handling new interest in the market. So implement different offering when new company join the market. Isuzu should have a special feature or unique quality in the vehicle. Also strong marketing and brand. Effort had a build trust with customer and country that attraction of a new competition. So customer loyalty program are important for retaining existing customer. So third is address product diversity. So expand the product range to deal with a variety of customer preference. Isuzu Highcom should introduce different model for various customer segment. Offer customization option allow a customer to personalize their vehicle, increase satisfaction and loyalty. Market research is crucial to identify specific demand and get assure Isuzu Highcom product meet evolve the customer need. Diagram, I was trying a good solution for the market competitive for our company. To do this, I was set up 4 criteria or standard that matter a lot. Let's call them adapted to new, competitive, innovation and unique, efficient and quickly respond and customer service excellent. For the first criteria, addictive strategy for a new competitor. This means figure out how to deal with the new company enter the market. The better a solution is handle this challenge, the higher score 10 out of 10. Second criteria is innovation and unique. Here it about be a creative and use new idea to make your product or service different for the other. A solution that accept in this area get a score of 7 out of 10. Third criteria is efficient and quick response. This is all about be fast and efficient in response to change in what customer want. And a good solution in this area get a score of 3 out of 10. Last criteria is customer service excellent. This is about be a really good and helping satisfied customer after they bought something. It is not considered as important, so it get a score of 4 out of 10. Now we look at 9 different solutions use these 4 criteria, and each solution get a score based on how we meet this standard. I was use 3 symbols to show how much impact each solution have. Circle for the higher impact 9 mark, square for the medium impact 5 mark, and triangle for the low impact 1 mark. After all this analysis, one criteria standard out the most, that is a customizer option, and it score the higher at 290. This means it the most important thing to consider among all the criteria. The solution to improve this to use a personality test before hire people and to set up some rule in the company. By doing this, the company expect to become much better at what is done, making everything run more smoothly. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum, I am Farhan Raisha binti Muhammad Rashid, matrix number CP2-20065. So I'm going to talk about discussion part and solution. And as we know that Isuzu Highcom is a manufacturing industry that face several challenges including technological advancement and production process also defect. And I believe that QC tools was very helpful to this company. So that we use 7 QC tools to help the Isuzu Highcom in troubleshooting issues related to quality. First and foremost, the Pareto diagram to identify technological advancement as the major problem, followed by the process flow diagram, which outlines the production process. And the second is we use a check sheet to identify the defect, with paint and finish problems being the most frequent. Then we move to the affinity diagram to classify the problems into the 5 groups, which is materials, machine, method, worker, and workplace. And also the interrelationship with diagrams shows the cause and effect relationship between these causes. And rival automakers are the main factor causing competitive problems, impacting brand loyalty, and technological advancements, also price competition and product diversity. And the 3 diagrams identify market competition, new entrants, and product diversity as major causes affecting productivity. And the solutions include expanding product range, customer loyalty programs, clear procedure, mentor-mentee programs, and improving communication. Other than that, we also use a matrix diagram to evaluate a solution based on criteria like lower cost, shorter time, priority, and presence of operators. So there are 4 priority solutions are identified. First is customization options, innovative products offering, market research, marketing, and branding. For instance, we use tools such as mass customization that allow the company to create custom-made products at lower cost, while innovative products offerings such as automated parking, 2 different type Isuzu Highcom from competitors. And market research helps to identify niche demands and gaps in the market for new vehicle types of functionalities.
Good day, my name is Surendran Arambagam. My metric number is CP220058. So, our analysis I spotlight market competition as pivotal challenges, constitution 50% company and obstacle. Through a rigorous assessment using Ishikawa and relationship diagram, we identified 3 fundamental causes. First is rival automaker, new entrants, and product diversity. To combat this challenge, we formulate 9 strategy solution tailored to address the root cause. First is innovative product offering. Second is a differentiation offering. Third is expand product range. Fourth is marketing and branding. 5 is customer loyalty program, and customization are optional. This comprehensive study serve a beacon for the manufacturing company aiming to fortify their production process. By implementing this prioritized solution, company can augment their competitive and pave the way for enhanced future performance. Thank you.